Hello friends, how are you? I hope all is well with you. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. My name is Shiv Sharma. I am an English trainer and motivational speaker. My biggest motive to make you perfect in English language. Today, I am about to present an interesting, motivational and inspiration story for all of you. This is an untold story which has very deep impact on me. The story has a great message and moral for every human beings. It's my humble request, please listen this story completely. The story is about an elephant who participate in Olympic competition. Once there was an Olympic competition of all animals in a forest. An elephant who was very excited to take part in competition. And this elephant chose to participate in running race competition. There are other animals were like leopard, tiger, rabbit, deer. They also participated in running race competition. The competition start, but finally the elephant was defeated badly. The elephant lost the competition. He was nervous. He got depressed, and the elephant decided to practice more for the next year competition. The complete year the elephant practiced again and again per day. He just got up early and just run so fast and try a lot, and there was some weight loss program also. Next year the same elephant participated again the Olympic competition, and the same competition, running race competition. But what happened? The elephant defeated. The elephant was defeated very badly. Again the leopard, again the rabbit, they won the race. The elephant was very nervous. Again he decided, next year I practice more. He committed a lot of strong decision and practice more. Next year again the elephant participate in the running race competition, but again the elephant lost the competition. In the same manners, 5 years, continue 5 years, the same elephant participated in the same running race competition, but he was defeated again. The elephant got nervous. After 5 years, an old elephant who was elder than this elephant, the old elephant suggested this elephant, why you participate in this running race competition where you don't have strength? Instead of participating in running race competition, you should participate in wrestling competition. On the 6th year, the elephant participated in wrestling competition. And you know who won the competition? Elephant. The elephant won the competition. He was very excited and he won finally the competition in wrestling competition. You know, this is a story. Guys, the story has a very big message and a moral for all of you. Guys, you know that accept the realities of your strength. What is your strength? Just accept it and do according to your strength, according to your power, according to your capability. There is a very big gap between our expectation and our realities. Our expectation is sky high, but the realities is ground level. You know, the bigger gap between our expectation and realities is caused stress. So guys, the moral of the story is that first understand well what is your strength, what is your capability. According to your capability, you should decide your target, your purpose, and then definitely you will achieve it. And this is the story. I think you like it. If you like this story, please press the like button and write your comments and tell me and how you like this story. If you are new viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And next time I will come with new topic. And thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thanks a lot. Please share this story and write your comments. Bye bye.